Screenshot. Tea time.
Not tea time. It's clean up time. It's not time to play tea party. It's time to clean up. Watch out. Say hello.
Hello.
Say my room is a mess.
Mess.
It's a mess. And we're gonna clean. But yeah, this is Harper's room. It is an absolute mess. So we are going to tidy up and organize and straighten up some things today. I'm gonna try to get it done in like an hour and a half. So I'm done talking. The rest of this video will probably be a voiceover and y'all will see what we are doing here. But this is the mess that is Harper's room. Yeah, we have stuff over here. We have here. Then we have to organize this closet. All right, y'all. So I'm starting here by rolling up my little palette in Harper's room. I'll explain this in her nighttime routine. So I had to clear her bed off because she had an accident. And when I clean up, I really don't have a plan. I just kind of see where the mess wants to take me. So Harper does not have a toy box, but she has these little bins where I kept her toys. So I decided to use these plastic containers that I used to use to store my shoes and organize some of her smaller stuff that way so she can easily access it, but it's still neat and out of the way. So yeah, step one was just to organize her toys. And I tried to go through before and edit her toys. I've given away some of the stuff that was too young for her, that she didn't play with anymore, and stuff that I just felt like was excess. So I got rid of some of those things. So now it was just time to organize it, and hopefully Harper will be able to follow this system, because when you tell her to put stuff away in her room, she just throws it wherever she wants to throw it, and that's where it stays. Alright, now that I've organized some of the smaller things, I'm getting the big crates back and I'm putting the larger toys in there. So as you can see, the purple one is for her stuffed animals, and then the pink one is going to be for her larger or harder toys. So they are larger. Some of them are hard toys and like electronic type stuff that she can interact with. So that is what is going into the pink bin. Harper's trying to help me, but she really was not a lot of help. I had to kick her out several times because she wanted to play instead of help me clean, and that was frustrating my purpose. I appreciated her effort though. She helped a little bit. And as you can see, I had to go up under her bed to get some stuff because Harper's a little kid. So we have these wood floors in the house, so they're hard to keep clean, and I have to just sweep almost every single day. So still organizing some of her toys. I thought I could fit the puzzles inside these Ziploc bags to kind of keep them neat, but that didn't work out. But as you all can see, I am the Ziploc bag queen. So just trying to keep everything that is small organized and in one place so we can find the toys and everything is not all over. So this section of the room I'm calling her education center / station. So these are all her educational learning type toys and things. And some of the stuff is supposed to be hung up on the wall, like her calendar and some of the little felt interactive things. But in the house that we are renting right now, we're not allowed to put holes in the wall, and I'm not about to spend a whole bunch of money on command strips. So I'm just going to save some of that stuff for later, and when she does use it, we can just pull it out. And some of the things we haven't even pulled out yet. As you can see, this is Harper helping me clean. But this is just her little reading nook with stuffed animals and books that I'm organizing in the corner. So I cannot focus when I'm cleaning. I cannot stay on one task. So I am back to the carpet trying to finish up the toys, because when I'm cleaning and something catches my attention, I just have to go right to it. So here I am just trying to grab all her toys and again keep them organized as much as I can with the resources I have available to me. And again, sweeping underneath her furniture to make sure that I've gotten every single toy, hair bow, lint ball, just everything, so that everything has a place and it is where it is supposed to be. So once I got the carpet cleaned off, I felt good. So I vacuumed it, which I probably haven't done in a while because I just let her room get absolutely out of control. And then I also vacuum the floor around the carpet as well. All right, now I need to organize her dresser because I just throw things up here. Harper does as well. So this is her hair box with all her bows and beads and combs. I'm going through her headbands, any of them that are broken and beyond repair. I'm just throwing them on the floor because they're going to go in the trash. I do not want to keep anything that does not function. And again, you see I have these pictures up here, which used to be hung up in her room in our apartment. But like I said, in this house, we can't put any holes in the wall, which is so much easier. So I'm just going to prop them up against the wall and the dresser so she can have a little bit of decoration in her room. And I'm using these bins, and I have some of those small crates up there to create some organization on her dresser so that everything has a place where it's supposed to be, so that if I do just throw something on the dresser, I can eventually find out where I need to put it and it'll be in its proper place. So her dresser looks 10 times better than it did before. So I'm organizing her little toiletries in this basket here. And a lot of this stuff I got from the dollar store and Walmart from when I was teaching. So I no longer have a classroom, so I use it in the house. And as you can see, I put her larger doll head toys up there for her to play with. And now on to clothes. I've already edited Harper's wardrobe, gotten rid of things that were too small or that she didn't wear anymore, and anything that was a onesie. So I'm going through her closet and pulling out her winter clothes and finding any onesies that don't belong in there and putting her winter clothes in the storage bin. Harper tends to be very small. Like, she has not grown a lot. So everything that is winter clothes, I'm putting it in those storage bins and switching it out for the summer clothes. And then we'll see if she can still wear those winter clothes this winter. So I've organized her drawers with pajamas, and she has underwears and t-shirts in the top, and then her middle two drawers are shirts and outfits, and then she has a bottom drawer for pants and socks. Now this closet is a shared closet. It's for storage, towels, Harper's clothes, and as well as some of my clothes, because these closets in this house are old and a little bit raggedy. So yeah, and my closet was missing a pole, and it was just a whole bunch of craziness. So I was just organizing the gift bags because I keep those and reuse them, and organizing the top shelf with the towels so that things just look neat and in their place. So this is really all about organization. So that's the key to staying clean, is to having some type of system of organization and doing your best to stick to it. I'm not the best at that, but this is my effort at doing that. Alright, this always happens to me when I'm cleaning. I get to the end and then I just have piles of random stuff and I don't know where it goes. So here I'm just first picking up any trash, any laundry that I had. I just threw it outside of the room because I'm just going to throw it all in the laundry, in the washing machine. And so now I'm just sweeping together all this little stuff that I have on the floor, whether it's trash or not. And then I can just go through this pile and put stuff where it's supposed to be, and then sweep the floor, and then we will be close to being done. So now that I have all the big stuff organized, it's much easier for me to go through this pile and say, okay, this is to keep, this is trash, this doesn't belong in here, this belongs in the kitchen or my room, or know exactly where stuff goes. And then I can just sweep up the dirt and dust that's left, and I will be basically done with cleaning Harper's room, and hopefully I won't have to do this again. Y'all, your girl is tired. It took me about 2 hours to get this done. In between wrangling Harper and cleaning, 2 hours to clean and organize. Alright, so I'm done cleaning and organizing the room. I just have to do laundry so that I can make her bed. So once I have her bedding all laundered, I will show you all the finished product. Harper, pick that up. Harper, put that lid back on there. Put the lid back on the box. Thank you. Are you gonna keep your room clean? Who cleaned your room?
You.
Who's you? What's my name? Are you gonna keep it clean? Okay.
I said it.
What you gotta tell mommy? Mommy cleaned your room. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Thank you.
All right. Say peace.
Peace.